Morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region so far this morning, seeing some fairly light winds as well as some partly cloudy skies across the area. We'll see our upper and mid-level cloudiness thicken throughout the afternoon hours as a disturbance moves through the region for later this evening into the overnight hours. It's going to give us a chance of some rain showers. In general, just a quick moving system with anywhere from about a tenth to a quarter of an inch of rainfall appears likely across the region. That'll be primarily around 8 to midnight this evening, but I'm most likely not going to see a lot of precipitation from this system, just a quick moving rainfall across the area. As we move into our Wednesday, we'll see some breezy conditions as well as some partly to mostly cloudy skies across the area. So it looks like a good weather day across the region today, and then we'll see that rainfall early overnight, and we'll see a breezier day for our Wednesday. Our sounding from this morning, freezing level around 5,500 feet. Our winds out of the northwest and low levels around 15 to 20 knots and becoming more west-southwesterly in height, as well as increasing our speed up to 97 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, we do have a weak area high pressure in control across the Mid-Atlantic region this morning. I'll slide off the coast for this afternoon. We have a upper level disturbance moving through the region for this evening that's off to our west, and that'll be our next weather maker, and then we'll have in general an area high pressure built in behind that as well. So looking at our satellite imagery from this morning, you see we do have some serious cloudiness across the region, have some thicker clouds off to the west across the Ohio Valley that's associated with that upper level disturbance that's going to be moving through the region and tracking over our area for this evening, giving us those rain showers. And taking a look at the HRM model here for the next 24 to 48 hours or so here. Looking at this afternoon in general, mostly sunny skies to partly cloudy skies, and then that rain shower activity starts to increase across central Virginia for this evening, and then moving into our area. Slight chance of a rain shower after 8 p.m., but most likely after 10 o'clock this evening into the early overnight hours. We'll see that rainfall across the area, and it looks like it'll move out of the region by about one local on Wednesday morning. And then for tomorrow morning, could see some low-level fog or some low-level ceilings across the region, across the area, especially inland. But overall, that should burn off fairly quickly if we do see it tomorrow morning. And then for Wednesday, we'll see some partly cloudy skies in general, possibly a period of some mostly cloudy skies during the mid-afternoon hours with some breezy northwesterly winds. Look at the European model. For the next few days, we'll have that area high pressure build in briefly on our Wednesday, then another area high pressure builds in on our Thursday. We'll see the upper level trough move off the coast on Thursday evening, and that area high pressure will build off the coast, and that's going to start a warming trend for our Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday of next week. We'll see a warm front move through for Friday evening. That's going to give us a chance of a few sprinkles, but overall those chances look to be less than 20%. And for Saturday, it looks like a spring-like day across the region. We'll see a boundary well north of our area across New England. We'll see high pressure off the southeast coast. That's going to give us a warm pattern across our region, seeing temperatures looks like they'll be in the lower to mid 70s across the area. Some locations inland could be seeing some upper 70s on Saturday. And the Sunday, we'll see our upper level flow become more southwesterly. That's going to increase our cloud cover across the region as well as bring a chance of some showers across the area for Sunday afternoon. With this, we'll see more cloud cover and temperatures remaining in the upper 60s. And then for Monday, we'll see a cold front moving through the region. Looks like a fairly strong cold front this time. European has a much drier solution than most of their guidance. It looks like we'll have a warm day on Monday, and then a possibility of some afternoon and evening showers and even a possible thunderstorm. But today's risk chart, we'll see a high today around 63, a low tonight of 42. We'll see winds becoming more southwesterly this afternoon, and then light in general overnight, northwest about 4 to 8 knots. We'll see our best chance of rainfall come between 20 local on midnight or 8 p.m. and midnight, and then a lingering chance of a shower till about 1 local on Wednesday morning. I'll have a chance of some low-level ceilings, as I mentioned, that fog or that low cloud across the region overnight, the light winds and residual moisture from the rainfall. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will see VFR conditions today, and then we'll see those lower ceilings overnight with that rainfall moving into the region until about 2 local. Then we'll continue to see that slight chance of some low ceilings or fog overnight, but in general by tomorrow morning. At 8 local, we'll see mostly sunny skies, just a little bit of cirrus cloudiness across the region. Our tides are running normal. Looking at a Wednesday, we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies and breezy conditions, a high of 57 degrees. We'll have an orange for our winds. Looks like those winds should be gusting around 27 knots for our Wednesday, late morning, afternoon hours. So looks like a wind advisory is fairly likely during that time period. For Wednesday night, mostly clear and chilly. We'll see clear skies across the region, lighter winds, a good radiational cooling night as appears now, so a low of 33 degrees, so getting close to that freezing mark once again. And for our Thursday, mostly sunny and slightly breezy, high of 54 degrees, green charts across the board for our Wednesday night into Thursday. So next 7 days, we'll see temperatures in the 60s today, 50s for our Wednesday and Thursday, then back with a warming trend starting Friday, 62 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, 15% chance of a shower during the evening into the early overnight hours. Then Saturday looks like it'll be partly to mostly cloudy and warm, high of 73. Sunday, with those showers coming into the area, capping that chance at 30% now, but most likely we'll be able to increase those chances as we get closer to this system coming through, high of 69 degrees. And for Monday, back into the 70s, looks like a chance of some PM showers, and I mentioned even a possible thunderstorm moving through for Monday evening, that cold front crossing the area. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15, 10 a.m.